Hey, friends, welcome back to the PWS podcast. And this week, myself and Nikhil, we are going to speak to you about a very important, a very key question, and that is how to control your mind while speaking, while communicating. So, basically, some of the things that we've observed over the years is that you need to first you need to know that this scammering is all in your mind. Once it is out of your mind, you'll notice that situations become easier. You your speech just becomes so much better. Why? Because you're not thinking about that. You're not scared. You're not fearful. You're not nervous. And these are some of the things that that we can reflect from our previous experiences, from our previous conversations. And with that, today we have Nikhil, who will speak to us about how to control your mind while speaking, which starts with one, acceptance, two, situations, and three, your mindset. Over to you, Nikhil.
Yes, sir. Hi, Krishi. It's always an awesome thing to interact with you, speak to you. So let's talk about what is acceptance. So acceptance, it is something where you need to be happy about yourself, satisfied about yourself. So internal satisfaction, it is self plays a very important role. Self happiness, self satisfaction. So So most important thing from inside, are we happy? Are we satisfied from inside? That's the question we need to ask ourselves. Yes, if you're happy about yourself, if you are satisfied about yourself, then achieve the glory. Then you can achieve any victory. You can be easily victorious because acceptance and satisfaction are two sides of the same coin. And then comes the happiness. If you are satisfied about yourself, you will be automatically happy about yourself. But to achieve the level of acceptance, acceptance is not which you can achieve within a jiffy. It will take time to accept yourself. Acceptance is a long time uh, process, but at the end, to achieve acceptance, the most important thing, as I said, is self happiness, self satisfaction, and self confidence. You have to achieve all these things from inside. From inside, you have to be happy about yourself. I'll give you one example. Okay, when suppose, for example, if you are going out in the uh, market to buy vegetables or fruits, so you want to like buy some like vegetables like cabbage or potato. You should say what is there in your mind. बोलना है कि भैया मुझे 1 किलो आलू दे दो, फिर 1 किलो पोटैटो दे दो, फिर 1 किलो ओनियन दे दो. So when you're talking about these things, when you're talking about these vegetables or fruits, the most important thing is, are you acceptance? Are you entirely happy about yourself? And if you're, you should speak your mind openly in front of others. That is the most important thing. Means like even if you're going outside in a rickshaw or in an Ola or in a cab, you have to say this acceptance. Means you have to say this acceptance. Means you have to like speak your mind out in front of strangers. That is the most important thing about acceptance. Yes, Krish, over to you.
Right. So see, he, basically, the first thing I think, and correct me if I'm wrong, and it's that until you don't accept this, if you keep saying no, I'm normal, I don't have, I can do this, I'm that. If you don't accept that there is something that you want to change about yourself, you don't need to, but you want to change. And until you don't accept that, I don't think you are even going to make the efforts to find a solution. Now, there are lots of solutions, but solutions are those to problems. If you don't accept the problem, you're not going to find a solution, and then eventually you won't even take any action. So, I completely agree with what you have to say, Nikhil, and that brings us to point two, and that is situations. Over to you.
Okay. Sure. So the most important thing is at every given situation, you have to speak. Supposing in this podcast, okay, when I'm speaking, if I'm like, I don't like uh, uh, take my mind, how to talk slowly. So suppose if I want to say my introduction, in a very slow manner, I can say, "Hi guys, my name is Nikhil Iyer. I am 30 years old. I am currently working at RBL as a deputy manager in information technology. My hobbies are singing, listening old songs, giving motivational speech to others, etc." See, in this, you can see in this given situation, I'm speaking in a very slow manner. Okay, so all these things we can achieve by acceptance. Again, acceptance plays a very important role. When you deal with given situation, suppose if you're talking in front of your boss, again, again, we always get affected by something called as inferiority complex. Suppose you're like talking in front of your uh, seniors, you always think that how can I talk, what is there inside my mind, what they will think about us. That always tricks us, inside the mind. What they are going to think about us. क्या सोचेंगे मेरे बारे में. This is just something, we always think about it. But actually, talk or something. It's okay to stammer. That it's okay attitude we have to bring inside us. It's okay. It is normal to stammer. Or even if you say about me, I don't care. So we have to deal with this inferiority complex. We have to think. I don't want to care what others think about me. It's okay to stammer. It's okay with what I'm speaking. And situational wise, we have to deal with it. Suppose we are on the railway station to buy a ticket, and if I want to say I want ticket from Borivali to Churchgate or something like that, or if you're in a BST bus, or if you're in a rickshaw, or if you're in an auto, or or if you're in a you're like standing in front of a big crowd, and you want to speak in front of the entire crowd. So that situation is different. Or if you're in an office, that situation is different. But situational wise, if you want to control your speech, again, acceptance plays a very important role. With acceptance, you can control your mind at any given point of time. So at this situation, if I want to speak using prolongation technique for the entire speech, I can say, my name is Nikhil. Today I'm speaking to Krishi. Or by using bouncing, today I am speaking to Krishi. During this podcast session. This is called as verb bouncing, or you can use prolongation, or or I can speak in a very slow manner, like my name is Nikhil. I'm going to the railway station to buy a ticket. Or I can say, today I'm going to office. Or if I want to change my ascendant speak, I can say, hi Krishi, my name is Nikhil Iyer. Today I'm going to use my full strength to speak in front of you. And I'm going to do that. And I'm going to speak what my mind. I'm going to do that. And I'm going to speak in a different accent. And I can do that. And I can have the ability to speak. I have the capability to speak. I can speak in my mind. So my mind speaks. I want to speak in my mind. And my mind is saying that Krishi is there in front of me, who is a wonderful person from the British Community Association and is there in front of us. So you can see, this I have to change my ascendant speaking, or if I want to so this is called as how you deal with the situation. So given situation, so if we're saying in this situation, I have to speak like an actor. So I can speak like Dharmendra. Krishiv, मैं आज बैठा हूँ तुम्हारे सामने. I'm going to speak my mind out today, and I'm there today to deal with this situation. I'm speaking like Dharmendra here. I'm going to speak like Rajkumar, कृषि आज तुम्हारे सामने कौन खड़ा है जरा देख लो ये नाम है निखिल अय्यर और मैं आज तुम्हारे सामने ऐसा सेशंस कर रहा हूँ कि पूरी दुनिया को मालूम पड़े कि मैं भी हकलाता हूँ. Like Rajkumar. So situation wise, you have to change your speech. But again, the core value is acceptance. Yes,
Uh, just one small request. Can you, you're a big fan of Shailendra. If you can if you can introduce yourself like just now you did with uh, Dharmendra. Now, if you do it in the way of Shailendra, can you introduce yourself like?
So Krishi, I can tell you 4 lines which was
Yeah, sure, sure.
written by Shailendra. जो
Sure.
टोकर न खाए नहीं जीत उसकी, जो टोकर न खाए नहीं जीत उसकी, जो गिर के संभल जाए है जीत उसकी. These are the lines which are written by Shailendra in the movie Seema. Song was कहाँ जा रहा है तू है जाने वाले. So this was like the 4 lines written by Shailendra. So according to the situation, you have to deal. So whatever situation, so if I'm telling my mind, कि मुझे ऐसे बात करना है, so वो तुम बात कर सकते हो. You can talk in that way. Again, to achieve that, you have to bring acceptance inside. Again, situation and acceptance, they both play a very keen role, in helping to control your mindset.
So, what kind of mindset do you need to have in order to one accept it, and the other dealing with the various situations? What kind of a mindset do you need?
Correct. So, Krishi, like in our last podcast session, we spoke about, right? The most important thing, is we should not think what others think about you. We should deal every situation as normal. We should think whatever people are there in front of you, they're normal, and they're not going to think about you, about what you think about yourself. Or if I have this issue of stammering in front of them, what they're going to think about me. And actions, at every point of time. That is the most important thing. Supposing if I want to control my mind, I have to I have to keep my mind very calm, very cool. I have to be very positive at every point of time. So with that positivity, you can bring that energy out. And and that positivity is very important when you're dealing with acceptance, and in the given situation, you have to bring that positivity. I'll give you some examples to you. Okay. For example, if I'm going in a mall, okay, if I'm going in a food court of a mall, and if I want to buy something from this, if I want to order pizza, or if I want to order burger from McDonald's, if I see a lot of crowd there, like I have to stand in the queue, and have to buy that. But when I see such a large crowd, sometimes people become nervous, and they think uh, when my when my number is going to come, to buy that thing. But again, in that situation, you have to deal with it. You have to be patient from inside. You have to bring that patience. It's very important. I know we all are hungry, and it's very difficult to control the hunger. But again, you have to bring that patience. Whatever large crowd is there, it's okay. And after that large crowd disperses slowly and steadily, your number is going to come. So you have to wait. You have to wait patiently. Don't break the crowd. Don't break the queue. Deal with the situation, and then go there. Ask them calmly what you want to buy, and in a very cool attitude, in a very polite manner, you have to say them. Even when you're like dealing with a large crowd, or if you're like going to a temple, or if it's like huge crowd or a huge queue, again you have to be very patient. अपना भी नंबर आएगा, हम लोग भी अंदर जा सकेंगे, लेकिन that patience in that situation, going and you're working in front of a large crowd, there are about 1 lakh people in front of you, or there are thousands of people in front of you. But again, in that situation, you have to deal yourself out in a very cool manner. You have to say, you have to interact with the audience, you have to connect to the audience, you have to speak your mind out. In that situation, acceptance plays a very important role. And what is your mindset? Your mindset to be positive. You have to bring that positivity with a smile. Muskan दिखाना बहुत important है. Bring it with a smile. I'm stammering with a smile. That smile plays a very important role in life. You have to bring that smile always. That smile, that happiness brings a lot of positive energy across the audience, and each and every audience will be able to connect to you. You can, some crack a small joke like Kapil Sharma, or something like that, or or you can ask some questions to the audience, and you go on the stage. But you have to interact with the audience. You should think that stage belongs to you. Now I can do whatever comes in my mind, and the audience will accept the situation accordingly. Again, so that should be our mindset in that situation with acceptance. So you can see all three are interrelated to each other: situation, acceptance, and mindset. So what is my mindset during that situation, and that will automatically bring that acceptance. Yes, Krish, over to you.
Nice. Yes, yes. I think the whole mindset, we need to take small, small steps towards changing our whole mindset, and that is one of the key takeaways for our listeners and viewers from today's session. Uh, Thank you so much, Nikhil, for sharing such uh, such key points that are so valid for uh, PWS in their day-to-day life. Uh, Thank you so much, and we'll be back with our next episode soon. Have a great National Conference 2020, which is virtual, and see you soon.
So Krish, I just like to add one thing.
Okay.
So during this national conference, I want everyone to attend, especially people who are facing this issue of stammering. They have to attend this such a conference. Where there are such a large crowd, we like more than 100 people, 200 people, in front of you. That's like it's a family of people who stammer pizza. So you can deal with the situation there. There will be like a different experience for you. And this is the first time, we are conducting a virtual national conference, and it's going to be, it will be very beneficial, for people who stammer. So I would like everyone to attend the national conference, bring your fear out, deal with the fear. So to deal with the fear, or to face the fear. And this is the best thing about national conference, is that it's a big platform, where with you're dealing with your stammering at a national level in front of so many people who stammer. And and we all are there for you. So don't worry if you're facing this issue of stammering. Be open about your stammering. Join with us. We are a family. We all are there for you. Come out of the open. Join with us, and it will be the best thing ever you have faced in your life, and it will be the biggest happiness for you by attending the national conference. Thank you, Asha.